Hey, so you're getting non-stop calls from unknown numbers. It's really annoying. So that's why I'm gonna show you how to silence unknown callers on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone with the latest iOS 26. So first you have to open up your settings, then scroll down, go to apps, and from here find phone. And scroll down a bit, and under screen unknown callers, you will find this silence option. You have to select this from here. So when it's enabled, call from numbers not in your contacts will be silenced automatically. You can also turn on the unknown caller filter. This keeps all unknown numbers grouped together, making it easier to see who called, check missed calls, and list it to their voicemails. Now, whenever an unknown number calls, your phone won't ring, you will just get a silent notification and they will go straight to voicemail. And to review these calls, go to the phone app and tap the filter icon. And here you will find this unknown caller option. And from there, you can also check their voicemails under voicemail. Isn't it super helpful? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.